Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 11 of Python tutorials for kids playlist. In this video we'll be learning about modules and pips in Python. So if you had not watched my previous video, go and watch it. The previous video we created an amazing project which is a quiz game using Python. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So let us start our video. I'll quickly open my Python IDE, and my Python IDE has opened as you can see here. So I'll use shortcut key Ctrl N to create a new file, and I'll keep both of them aside. So I'll quickly import a module, import random. So there are two types of module, built-in modules and other modules. So built-in modules come with Python itself, and other modules you can download from websites, or you can download directly from CMD. So random is a module that comes with Python itself. So if you want to know about built-in modules, you can go and search Python built-in modules and you can open the docs. So these are some built-in modules in Python. So there is another module called math. So math module helps us to do mathematical functions in Python. So you can scroll down and here you can see the math module. So this says mathematical functions, say etc. So you can click this and you can open math module. So these are all the commands of math. So first let us try ceil. So to use ceil I have to quickly import math, and I will add a variable x, as here it's written x. So x equals to, and you can write any number, such as I'll write and float 34.6. and to run the module I'll quickly save the document using shortcut key Ctrl S. So I'll save this as v11 modules, and now I'll save the document. And now we don't get anything. So if we print x, then we'll get 34.7. So now let us use math module. So to use math module I'll use math.ceil as it's written here. So I'll quickly copy it and paste it here inside the print statement, and I'll save the document. To run the module we get 35. So ceil gives the nearest largest number, and there is another module called floor. So this floor module says to give the nearest lowest number dot floor, and if I run the module I get 34. So this print statement, that is math.ceil, says to give the nearest largest number of 34.6, that is 35, and this second statement says to use the nearest lowest number of 34.6, that is 34. So this is how you can use math module. So there are lots of another modules, such as import random. So this module gives some random functions, strings, or random number. So these are some built-in modules in Python. So you can also use modules downloaded from somewhere else, such as I'll open my CMD to download a module. So now if I enter Python, we can enter Python here, and I'll quickly exit it. So Python is used to check if Python is installed in our PC or not. So if you want to download a module, you have to use pip command. Pip install, and you can write the module name you want. So I'll enter only the pip and you get a list here. As you can see, I got some commands, general operations in this pip. So pip, this is pip install. This command helps us to install packages, and pip download, this helps us to download packages, and pip uninstall helps us to uninstall a package. So I'll quickly show an example such as pip install and I'll add some module name. So there are several modules like Panda, Flask and many others. So I'll open Python docs. I'll go to docs.python.org, installing Python modules, and here it says pip install the package name, some package, pip install some package. So I'll install Panda for now. So Panda is a module used for 3D engine, used as 3D engine. So it will take some time to download. So now Panda has downloaded successfully. So here it shows successfully installed Panda 0.3.1. So I have downloaded Panda before itself. I am just extracting it, that is installing it. And if you want to use this module, you can just use import panda and you get an error message because we didn't use anything from Panda. So if I uninstall Panda, so to uninstall a module you have to use pip uninstall Panda, and now this CMD asked proceed Y or N. So Y means yes and N means no. So I'll quickly type Y and our Panda starts uninstalling. So this shows successfully uninstalled Panda 0.3.1. So the latest version of Panda is 0.3.1. And now if we run the module here, we get no module not found error, no module named Panda. But here it shows named request. So our Panda has successfully installed. So this is how you can use modules in Python. So there is another module which is a fun module called Turtle. So Turtle is a graphic module for Python. So Turtle, it comes built-in with Python. So import Turtle. So you can keep a name for your turtle such as t is equal to turtle dot turtle. So now our turtle has been successfully, and you can use t dot forward then 50. So I'm saying the turtle to go forward 50. Yeah, as you can see, the turtle has gone 50 steps forward, and you can use 100 also here, and 100. Yeah, now the turtle has gone 100 steps forward. And you can also use t dot backward, t dot right, t dot left, and many others. So you can also change the color using t dot color. We'll be learning more on turtle graphics in the next video. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then share your friends. So if you had not visited the Python tutorials for kids playlist, go and visit it, and don't forget to subscribe Code with Niranjan too. So if you have not watched the previous video, which is quiz game using Python, go and watch it. I'll provide the video link in the description box. I'll see you in next video. Until then, bye bye.